y'all? It's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And it's February, and if you've been watching my channel or you're new, I have a tradition here on Sister Girl Tuesday that during the month of February, we not only focus on love, we also focus on celebrating Black History Month. So we take a moment to acknowledge the contributions of African Americans not only to American history, but to world history, and we do that by opening up with a quote. So today's quote is coming from Cicely Tyson, and it says, "Challenges make you discover things about yourself that you never really knew. They're what make each instrument stretch, what make you go beyond the norm." All right, so today's video is gonna be a little bit different. So while it's not a recipe per se, it's a quick snack. And I really like it because it challenged how I thought about this vegetable. So today I am gonna show you how to use okra in making a quick little snack. So if you wanna keep seeing this, just keep watching, and then you already know before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.
So here are a few things you may not know about okra. In some places, it's referred to as lady fingers. It has a sordid history on how it made its way from West Africa to the United States. It's found in the popular dish gumbo, and it's also high in vitamin C and vitamin K.
So as you can see, that was really quick and easy, and I'm just gonna sample it on camera for you. Let's get into it. So I'm just gonna sample it for you. Wash it, cut it up, sprinkle it with some kosher salt. So good. I feel like I had to eat it on camera for you because I feel like somebody's like, there's no way she's eating that. So it's popping. You should try it too. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section below.